To dehydrate is to discover a product's versatility. It is to revive it, preserve it for longer. A technique which is thousands of years old and is as alive today as ever. It now walks with us in a renewed form so that our food retains its taste and properties for a longer cycle. To dehydrate is to whet your appetite, to patiently perform an extraordinary technique that has stood the test of time. Welcome to the additional features from Fagor Professional. In this video, we're going to carry out two types of dehydration with our iKORE oven. First, we will prepare a pavlova with cream and summer fruits. After that, we will make some dehydrated vegetable paper. Let's begin with the pavlova with cream and summer fruits. Beat the egg whites until they form soft peaks. Then add half the sugar and keep beating until the peaks are stiff. Mix the remaining sugar with the corn flour and then add the egg whites. Beat at high speed for 3 minutes. Then put 5 circles of meringue on a piece of baking paper and put them in the oven. Use the dehydration additional feature and select pavlova. When the oven signals that the meringues are of a suitable consistency, take them out and set them aside. Now prepare the summer fruit. Cut the strawberries into quarters and prepare the blackberries, raspberries and blueberries. Finally, assemble the pavlova and it is ready to serve. Time for the second recipe, the dehydrated vegetable paper. Start by washing and peeling the potatoes, onions and apples. Boil the apples for 2 minutes, the onions for 4 minutes and the potatoes for 7 minutes in water until their texture softens a little. Then drain off the water completely. Mash them separately and add the bronze food coloring to the potatoes. The red to the onions, and the green to the apples. To make the vegetable paper, spread each puree separately onto slip pads and dehydrate in your iKORE oven using the dehydration additional feature, vegetables. When the oven signals that the paper is dehydrated, serve with cream cheese. Enjoy!